Hey everyone, welcome back. So we're going to start the module with this video, and this video is on levels in Photoshop. That's color correction with levels in Photoshop. So I'll just go ahead and open my file. Now I'm going to come to the projects folder for module 3. That's the module on color correction in Adobe Photoshop, right? Now go to the projects folder, and now you have this file. Right, so we're going to start with this file. So you just click on this file, which says color correction 1, and click open. Perfect. So this is our image, mother and child, very beautiful image. Now we can see that the image is a bit washed out. Okay, it's not looking its best right now. So we're going to use levels in Photoshop to kind of make it look a step better. Okay, now levels are a set of sliders which you can adjust to the right hand side or to the left hand side, and they're going to kind of increase the richness of your blacks and your whites. Okay, so that's what levels do. They increase the richness of your white colors and black colors. So there are two ways to do this. The first and simplest way, or the quickest way, is basically to just select your file. That's to select your layer. You select your layer and go to images, and you go to adjustments and then levels. So just click levels and you see it here appear. Now we have to have preview on so that we see the changes that we make as they get updated. So as I drag this slider to the right hand side, you can see that the blacks are getting richer. Okay, the blacks are getting richer, the blacks are getting richer. And as we drag this slider here to the left hand side, you can see that the whites are getting richer. Okay? So you don't want to do it too much, we just want to kind of do it what we do. Okay, I think something in the lines of this we just pass. Okay, now this is, like I said, the first way of doing it quick and fast. Okay, but if you do it this way, click OK now, we're going to see that it then implements the changes we just made to the image. Yeah, and you can go back and adjust or reduce the intensity of the effect. There is the second way to do it, which gives us more flexibility, more control. We're going to hit Ctrl C to undo, then go here under adjustments. Now under adjustments, we are now going to come and look for levels, and this is levels. So we click levels, and we see that the properties panel now open. You can see the levels interface. Now we can see under our layers that the levels adjustment layer has been added as a new layer on top of our layer. Okay? So as we make adjustments here, it affects our layer. It affects our layer. So we can bring our slider here, bring this one here, okay? And everything affects our layer which is beneath. Now we can select this layer and we can kind of do to this layer what we normally do to other layers. So it means we can hide this layer. If I hide this layer, you can see that the level effect goes off, right? The effect goes off. If I unhide it, the effect comes back. In this layer, I can reduce the opacity of this layer. Okay, I can delete this layer. I can click on this layer, hold, and bring it here where it says plus, and I'm going to duplicate this layer. Okay, and I can group the layers. I can do basically everything I do for a normal layer. Okay, so let me just delete, duplicate, and then now we can see that just by adding these levels, we have basically increased the richness of our blacks and our whites immediately. And levels has other channels. Okay, we have other channels. For example, this channel we is called the RGB channel. So it affects all colors, but we can come and select particular colors which we want to affect with our adjustments. So for example, we can select red. And if you select red, you can see that when we adjust this, it takes out the red. Okay, when we do it from the right or from the left rather, the right it takes out the red. When we do it from the right to the left, it adds more red. Okay, so you just want to do it in motion. Perfect. And so also we have other channels. For the green channel, we have blue channel. Perfect. So I don't want to adjust any other channel. I just want to affect only the RGB channel. Okay, the RGB channel is just what I want to do. Okay, and we also have this slider here, which can help us kind of reduce the lightness or increase the lightness. So if we drag this to the left hand side, we can increase the lightness. Okay, kind of increase the lightness. If we drag this guy, kind of reduce the lightness so it becomes dark. Okay, so basically this is what you need to know about layers, about levels rather. Levels. So yeah, so guys, with levels we have been able to add a bit of life to our image. This is what we had before. is what we have now. Perfect. So that will be it for this video on levels. In the next video, we're going to look at how to adjust or add more richness to our image using curves in Adobe Photoshop. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.